alone, leave me not alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful curly unit with absolutely no leave out, no lace, no glue, none of that. Okay, so this is a new technique that I learned and we're gonna go through it together. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this to this, just make sure you keep on watching.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past.
Alrighty, so shout out to UNice for sponsoring this video. I will be using their glueless 250% density V-part Jerry curly unit in 24 inches, and this is how the beautiful curly unit looks co-washed and air dried. And one thing I really like about this unit is that it's breathable. As you guys can see, I'm able to put my hands through it, so that means it's going to be very lightweight and airy in the summer, and I don't have to worry about it just feeling heavy and it's suffocating my scalp. Now right here, I'm just showing you guys the base for my wig. I already did my baby hairs and everything. No leave out, no hair out that I have to blend into this wig. And this is the tool that I'm going to be using to pull that hair through those little braids that you saw to make it give an illusion of looking like my hair. So now, in order to secure your unit, you have to place the wig under the two braids that you're going to be feeding that hair through. So that's going to make sure your wig is nice and secure and it's not going anywhere, but make sure you do not clip it on those two braids right there. And once we do that, we're going to start feeding in that hair. Now, it's pretty simple, but since this was my first time experimenting with this technique, I was learning as I was going, so bear with me while I try to explain it. But all you really need to do is open the little crochet tool, put a little piece of hair through it, and then pull it through that braid. Make sure it's closed before you pull it out. And you should see the hair come through the braid and flip over, which is gonna conceal that braid, but you still have that part. So it really just looks like it's still your natural leave out, as if you were blending your real hair into that. Now I will say that this technique is gonna take a little getting used to. I was struggling in the beginning, just a little. But to say that I did this for the first time and this was the result, I'm very proud of myself. So one advice that I would say is make sure you're detangling and pulling small enough pieces through that braid. And that's gonna help you avoid this issue. Kind of like tugging on the hair and having to detangle it once it gets through the braid like this. So you're gonna see me when I section off the pieces and pull it through how easy and seamless it is, but just make sure you're parting it off and then pulling it through like this. And look how easy that was. So you'll figure it out and what works for you, but very simple process and it looks amazing. You don't have to worry about blending your leave out or having to deal with lace, or even if you have straight hair and you want to wear a curly wig, this will be the perfect technique for you, especially for the summer, y'all. We know it's hot outside. Nobody feels like making sure our hair is blending in, making sure it's not sweating out or just looking very realistic. So by us being able to have this crochet technique and me learning this, I don't have to worry about any of that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start detangling this hair. I'm gonna show you more so of how I define those curls after I shape and cut this up exactly how I want it, because I didn't want it this length. I wanted it to look a little more natural. So I'm gonna blunt cut it and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some layers to it. guys, so once I finished cutting my hair and layering it, you know, I wanted some face framing layers and bangs, and I just wanted it to look really nice and realistic, okay? So once I finished with that, I went in with my Denman brush and just tried to clump those curls together a little bit more. And throughout the day, I just pretty much just let my hair air dry. I went out to eat and I just let it do its thing. Like, I had to go. So the hair dried pretty quickly, and by the time I came back, I was able to have like the actual look that I wanted as it continuously dried. But that's basically all this tutorial is, y'all. Straight to the point. This is my finished result once the hair was about 90% dry, and it just looks so natural. Look at this. This is my hair. You can't even tell. Super realistic looking, very natural and easy, and it's just as simple to take this unit off. Don't worry, you just pull the hair through the braids and you're good. But it's still super secure, as you guys can see, fluffy, airy, and the most perfect summer style for my girls that just need something quick, ready to go. We don't have any downtime, y'all. Like, get your hair done, head out the door. So I really want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you got this far in the video, don't forget to check out the description box below for all details, links, discount codes for this hair, and also some of the other things on UNice site. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Baby, my Valentine.